Hello, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope everyone is doing good in this pandemic situation. By the way, I am Sheikh Munwar Hussain. Today, I am here to give a brief introduction about a person and his works. Before giving introduction about the person, let me ask you a question. Have you ever traveled on Konkan railway track? If so, did you get any doubt to who created this project? If so, it is saying that you really enjoyed and admired while traveling on this track. I will make you clear about this Konkan railway track later. Let me give introduction about the person. He is a person who changed every obstacles into opportunities. He is a person who strongly believes in moral values. He is none other than Mr. E. Sridharan. E. Sridharan was born to Mr. Nilakantan Musathu and Miss Ammalu Amma on June 12, 1932 in Palakkad district, Kerala. He had six brothers and two sisters. He was born as youngest to his parents. About his education, he completed his education at the Basel Evangelical Higher Secondary School. He later completed his bachelor's degree in the discipline of civil engineering from JNTU Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. Career of E. Sridharan. How he started his career actually. E. Sridharan started his career after his studies as a lecturer to civil engineering students at the Government Polytechnic in Kozhikode. He appeared for the Indian Engineering Service exam in 1953. In 1954, he cleared the exam and joined the Southern Railway. After this, he entered into railway and thanks to his success, his name became the synonym for metro. He had undertaken the Kolkata Metro project and he succeeded in it. He then worked as a managing director for the Delhi Metro Railway Corporation. After he succeeded in the Kolkata project, the world turned its eyes on the Sridharan. Let me tell about his works. First one is Pamban Bridge. It is one of the longest and dangerous track laid on the sea in India. It was constructed in 1914, but in December 1964, a cyclone wiped out the town of Dhanuskoti and swept a train off the Pamban Bridge. After this incident, Sridharan put in charge of this project and he restored the bridge within 46 days. But the time given him to restore the project is 6 months. This allowed him to receive a prize money from the railway minister for his great deeds. Next one is Konkan Railway. Yes, here we are. This is the project which was rejected by Britishers when they were ruling the nation. They said it is impossible to lay a track in this area. After many decades, Sridharan came into existence and he made it impossible to possible. 2000 bridges and 91 tunnels to be built through this mountainous terrain containing many rivers. It was the most difficult project at that time. It was constructed over a length of 740 kilometers, passing through four major states Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and Kerala. An epitaph at Ratnagiri station stands in memory of workers who lost their lives during the construction of this railway project. About his awards and achievements, E. Sridharan started receiving awards in 1965 along with the prize money of 500 rupees from the railway minister. He had also received the most prestigious award from the government of India. He received the Padma Shri Award in 2001 and the Padma Vibhushan Award in the year 2008. In the year 2013, he received more than a dozen doctoral degrees from the national and international universities across the globe. Additionally, he received more than 60 national and international awards. Sridharan received gold and silver stars in 2013. He is responsible for the completion of impossible things such as completion of Konkan Railway Project and Pamban Bridge, which we discussed earlier. Time magazine noted him as one of the Asian hero in 2003 and he was honored and respected by Lifetime Achievement in 2013. Mr. A. Sridharan was retired in 1990 and he later joined into politics under Bharatiya Janata Party from Kerala. This is about E. Sridharan and his works. Please like and share the video. Thank you.